In this English lesson, I wanted to help you learn how to use the suffix wise. A suffix is something that comes at the end of a word. And when we use wise, it means in relation to something. So if I was to say this, temperature-wise, it's a really nice day today. If I look in my wallet though, money-wise, my wallet's a little bit empty. Or if my boss said, is that project on time? I might say, ooh, time-wise, that project isn't going very well. So it's a little word or suffix we put at the end of a word that means that you are talking about that thing or in relation to. So once again, temperature-wise, it's really nice out here today. I'm wearing a short sleeve shirt. Time-wise, I have a lot of time today. I'm done work for the day and I'm just home making this English lesson. The other phrase I wanted to teach you today, or term, is wise guy. A wise guy is someone who makes a lot of jokes and a lot of sarcastic comments. You could say, Uncle Joe is such a wise guy. He's always cracking jokes and making sarcastic or funny comments. So to review, when you put wise on the end of a word, it means you are talking about something in relation to that word. Again, time-wise, I'm having a nice day. I went to work on time, got all my work done, I got home on time. So time-wise, the day is going well. And a wise guy is someone who tells a lot of jokes. Also, a wise guy can be a criminal in a criminal organization. Sometimes we call them wise guys. If you watch a movie, you might see that. But hey, let's look at a comment from a previous video. This comment is from Mode. How come Mr. Bob never showed us the little area in front of the barn extension? I briefly saw it in a members video before. There's definitely some decoration going on there with all those rotary blades mounted on sticks, but he never talked about it, which begs the question, is Bob trying to hide something from us? My response, it's our secret art installation. Maybe I'll talk about it in the next video. We'll see. So here's the plan. We got some of these things from Jen's dad, actually. Actually, I'll turn you around. That's maybe a better way to see this. Hold on, I'm going to spin you. Okay, so these are parts from a cultivation machine called a rotary hoe. So this is actually something that normally you would see a whole bunch of these on a machine in a row, and they would spin and they would weed the soil. That's kind of the idea. It's called a rotary cultivator or a rotary hoe, but we thought they kind of look like flowers. And because we live on a flower farm, we thought we would put some in front of the barn as decoration. So we put them there. We're not done yet. We have to get a little piece of steel for that one as well. And there's one over there. And this whole area, just in general, is going to be a flower bed. But if you watch Jen's videos on her channel, the goats got out once and they kind of chewed and ate the leaves. So those plants aren't dead, but they certainly will grow back. But overall though, this is just an area in front of where we have the floral coolers and stuff. We might actually turn that window into a door someday and make it maybe into a small shop. We've talked about that from time to time. Whether that actually happens or not, we'll see. I mean, there's always plans for the future, and sometimes they get done and sometimes they don't. If you look behind me, there's still a big pile of stone that I have to distribute around the driveway as well. So like anyone, I think you are all very similar to me. You have projects for the future and you get done the ones you want to get done, and some don't always get done right away. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you're having a good day. I hope you had a good week. And I'll see you next week with another short English lesson. Bye.